Okay, hi guys. Welcome to the last part of the doggy series. And the doggy is here to celebrate it with us. We've been through a lot with the doggy. And I hope you enjoy this series. I'm making a lot of videos today. So, I hope you enjoy this. Okay, I'm just going to show you all the accounts I've made. So I have Rosie, Stuffy, Lucky, Barky, Fluffy, Muffin, Yoshi, and Mia. That's just what I wanted to show you for this video. So let's let the doggy do a few tricks while we end the video. Just show her a few things, doggy. Just show them what you can do. Okay, you just want to bark. Okay, bye.